Well, good morning everybody, welcome to the channel again, and just thought I'd bring you along on my morning commute to my main job, which I do Monday to Friday. So yes, I just thought I'd bring you along for the ride. For all of you that watched my last video, thank you for watching. And in that video I was explaining that I have upgraded my camera to a GoPro 10 because I got a GoPro 10 for my birthday this month. So yes, we now have a fancy new camera on the helmet, and if you want to know the details of the camera, I'll try and put them on the screen somewhere for you to look at. Go check the website out, do some good deals every now and again, so yeah, go check it out. But since that video, there has been another upgrade. Would you believe it? Yet another upgrade to my system. Hey. So yes, by the power of editing, I can show you the new upgrade. Hello! Yes, and I have a GoPro session on the camera. So for all of you I want to check out the view backwards from the front of the bike to myself, there you go. So yes, we have a GoPro session now. After watching some YouTubers, thought, oh, that's not a bad idea actually. So yes, we have a little GoPro session. Hello. And another upgrade that I didn't tell you about, well, it's not an upgrade, is it? It's an addition to the system, my helmet. It's a little cardo unit just there on the left hand side, like that. Yes, my little Bluetooth communication device. A lot of people, not a lot of motorbikers that I follow on Instagram and YouTube, raved about it. So I thought, why not? At least that way, if anybody in the family wants to get hold of me while I'm riding, I can talk to them. So yes, so my whole setup is a GoPro 10, a hero session, hello, and a cardo unit on my head, just there. So yes, I will try and put links in the description to all the products if you want to go and check them out. But in the meantime, join me on my ride to work. we like to see. A bit of sunshine. Come out, sunshine. Come out to play. Don't want rain.
God, look at all the traffic this morning. Well, saying that, I am a bit earlier than normal. I'm a bit earlier than normal. I'm only just leaving home at this time. But hey.
Well, ladies and gents, hope you've enjoyed that little journey to work with me this morning. If you've liked the video, then click the like button, and if you want to click the subscribe button as well, that would be very much appreciated. But for now, I am going to say TTFN, ta-ta for now, and I shall see you all again soon. Bye bye.